In this corona lockdown period, most of the government institutions were handed over to private. BJP had given a great support to capitalist and multinational business corporations when it rules of Gujarat and India for just 50 days. As a result, in 2014, BJP brought its major political power and changing India as Ramarajyam. This extreme change only made India to lose its prosperities, which have been now in the hands of multimillionaire capitalists. In this situation, all the movements and comrades in India who concerned about social justice should join hands in hand to propagate and protest for reservation in private sectors. At least, the whole nation's non-Brahmins movements should conduct a common protest platform. Is reservation necessary in private sectors? There is merely 2% of job vacancies in government departments. So reservation is very indispensable for the remaining job opportunities. In 2%, public departments possess the majority of job opportunities. In order to transfer the authorization to the private sectors, the officials in the public departments deliberately submit reports that the department has been functioning profitless for years. As a result of this conversion of public departments to private sectors, previously practiced reservation has absolutely exterminated. There is no reservation system in newly pop-out private sectors. So our job opportunities have been completely deprived from our hands. Even private sectors have reservation in America. America, allegedly developed country in the world, provides reservation for the blacks even in private sectors. They have reservation not only in job opportunities but in the business contracts and business advantages of the private companies. America and other European countries have reservation in their multinational companies. The world's largest and most productive multinational company, Microsoft, provides reservation in its company. The world's biggest networked restaurant, McDonald's, has reservation. Sweden's car company, Volvo, also follows reservation. These are the following reservation in America's private sectors. Fortune managers or officers, 500 companies. Ford 18.20%, General Motor Companies 23%, Exxon 16.90%. IBM 21.56%, Boeing US-based company 18%, Harvard University researchers 33.90%, in the year 1999 28.30%, professors 13.67%, in the year 1999 9.54%, trainees 37.50%, in the year 1999 30.31%. Journals: Wall Street 17.10%, USA Today 18.70%, New York Times 16.20%, Washington Post 19.50%, Los Angeles Times 18.70%. Source: Tehilka, June 19, 2004. As a result of no reservation in the 1,000 leading corporate companies in India, Brahmins dominate the companies. Total members 9,052. Brahmins and high caste 92.7%, which is 8,387 board members. Backward caste 3.8%, 346 board members. Oppressed caste 3.5%, 319 board members. Source: EPW, August 2012. Evidently, we have seen that the development and leading multinational companies in the world provide reservation in their countries. When these same companies came to India, the government says that reservation rights in India alone will not be granted. This data confirms that Brahmins are more dominant than national corporate companies. Private sector reservation should be our fundamental right to challenge that view. This is the essential beginning of the struggle for equality.